How to quick search files in whole workspace, Visual Studio Code. I'm asking for a method similar to Ctrl+P but that searches in all workspace, but not in ignored folder like note_modules or Git folders. Ctrl+P searches in recent opened list. I am searching some way to type a file name, in a quick search way, and search files in all folders of the workspace, ignoring ignored folders. Search by file name, not by content.
Short answer. Ctrl+P is the way for search file names in the current workspace or project. But recently opened files are shown above. The quick search found files recently opened and files that are in the workspace or project but are not ignored. Ignored files may be ruled by .gitignore if in settings.json search.useignore files is true. That means that sometimes ignored files are found and sometimes not. The solution to the question: change settings.json and set search.useignore files column false. Use Ctrl+P to search. Res. This URL. This URL.
Go to Settings, Workbench.action.open Settings, Preferences, Open Workspace Settings, F1. Find Setting, Search.exclude. Switch tab to User. Remove any unwanted items. Switch tab to Workspace. Remove any unwanted items, again. Save settings. Then show all commands, F1. Go to File ... Ctrl+P. Then you'll find the file in the workspace you're searching for. Set the search.useignore files setting accordingly as needed, once for each user and workspace.
Search.useignore files, false. What I found in VSC, there do not exist any real working search file in Folder Explorer. It works only advanced recently opened. It means, what you create, move inside VSC you can see in search result. But if you create something outside VSC you actually won't see it in search result, like never existed. Proof. You can't search anything what was installed like libraries before you browse it physically and in VSC File Explorer. You can run into problems if you don't know how this feature work. It could cause problems with the behavior of app, if there is file or not. Also answers there are pretending search should be marked as dangerous, deprecated.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.